When it comes to anchoring into concrete, it can be done when the concrete is wet or after it has dried. Installing an anchor afterwards requires less time and allows for more accurate results. For dried concrete, there are two types of solutions to choose from: mechanical anchors and adhesive anchors. Each has distinct advantages depending on your project needs. Mechanical anchors, which wedge or screw into concrete, are typically the lower-cost option. They offer quick and easy installation in a wide range of substrates. Adhesive anchors create a chemical bond with the base material, which can result in a higher strength hold. Mechanical anchors are generally categorized as either expansion anchors or screw anchors. Of the two types, expansion anchors cost less, and certain varieties are suitable for exterior use. Our Strong Bolt 2 is a great option. Screw anchors are faster and easier to install. They allow for easy removability and closer edge distance installation than expansion anchors. The Titen Turbo is an ideal choice for light-duty applications, while the Titen HD works best for heavy-duty needs. Adhesive anchors come in either epoxy or acrylic formulations. Epoxy adhesives offer greater strength, stability, and versatility. They perform well in all ranges of temperatures and environments, and they provide a longer working time. Our Set 3G, Set XP, and ETHP are all great epoxy adhesive options. Acrylic adhesives cure quickly, allowing you to save time and money. They're also ideal for severe cold weather environments. Our ATXP is a good acrylic option. To learn more about Simpson Strong-Tie mechanical and adhesive anchors, visit strongtie.com/anchors.